Yo guys, what is up? Welcome to Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I'm your host Martin. In this episode, we are gonna be talking about Bitcoin diving. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and that bell. That way, you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to chat with me or with anyone in the community once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links will be going out here shortly. People in the hills. Jeff Loomis, hey man, how's it going? Trampus, what is up, dude? Dude, I haven't seen you in a long time. I hope you're doing good, Trampus. Hope you're doing good, my friend. So, it is Friday. It is Friday. So, ooh, hells yeah. That sounded so tasty. It looks really good too. So, let's get this pour to be perfect. And again, with beer, as with a lot of things in life, you do want a little bit of head. And that's a pretty good amount of head. So, head retention is a good quality of beer. It prevents the foam that you form in the head, prevents the beer from oxidizing. A lot of people don't like it because, you know, there's foam in the beer. It's not 100% beer. So, yeah. It does prevent beer from oxidizing. So, it means it lasts longer. Anyways, thank you guys for being here. Bitcoin's dumping. Yo, what's up, Crypto Gaming? Jake, what's up? You're doing fantastic, Trampus. I'm happy for you, my friend. I am happy for you, man. Thank you for being here. Let's jump to the screen where, you know, mythical little leprechauns leave sometimes and make us money. So here we go. Total market cap. Oh no, look at that. Losing 1.75 trillion, remember? Oh, it's pretty good. That is freaking tasty. It also reduces bloating. Maybe. It probably makes you burp. Anyways, we did move down again after rejecting this area here, right? This retracement 618 at 1.84 trillion. Rejecting and moving below 1.75 trillion, so it's not good. Next area is going to be that 786 at $1.56 trillion. That's if we keep on dropping. We do have that bottom portion of the Bollinger Bands that could act as a support. Other than that, like I said, nothing bearish, nothing bullish. And if we start getting some support here and bounce, remember what I say, a large triangle we could be making here. I'd imagine we go like that. And we're here coming down and tightening. So we're going to make a very, very large triangle, right? Just remember that. It's a possibility. It's not there yet because we got to confirm that we're going to bounce again. And if we do again, looking for that triangle to play, right? So market cap moving down. Well, it's not just market cap that moved down. A lot of things moved down. And gold went up. So we'll see. Bitcoin, $39,000, $32. Trying to recover a bit. It was at $38,000 when I was looking at this earlier. Remember, we have support at 38,314 according to this here chart. Now, if we go here, look at that. What happened? Look at what happened. Remember, guys, I told you losing this area, 40,900 was going to be bad. We would drop, and then if we fell to 20, 39,000 was going to try to hold the support. We dropped that. Oh no. Next target to a downside, right? We're opening and rejecting that 39,291. I don't like that. I told you losing 40K was not going to be good for Bitcoin. We're looking at a support of 37,000, 38,000, somewhere around there. So yeah, we can still drop a little bit more. Hopefully we don't though, because if we don't drop, it's going to give some validity to the triangle pattern that we're looking for on a larger scale, right? I mean, while dropping would be the thing I would like to happen in the market right now, for us to get some divergence, maybe something else happening. You know, holding, it gets us into that triangle, right? So, neutral at 45.20. Damn nice view, yes. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. I think you're behind the stream. Make sure you hit live and it's red where it says live, and then you'll see. Yeah, it's a Hobgoblin IPA. I like this. It's tasty. I haven't been really drinking a lot lately, so yeah, ever since I got the Rona, I think it's the first time I'm having beer, so we'll see how it goes. Anyways, not a lot happening here, right? Let's go to that 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we had hidden divergence. We try to hold, right? Remember, I told you we're going to try to hold to a neckline, and we tried. We tried for one candle. We tried for two candles. It was just too much pressure from the bearish divergence, and we broke down. Guess what? Guess what? This divergence is still here. is just coming into here. This is just going to here, right? And now we also have divergence here. So hidden bullish, right? Not the best divergence. We are hitting that oversold area at 29.30. So that means we got to look for some recovery. We can still drop, right? Don't get me wrong. We still drop a little bit, but once we're oversold, that means that the perceived value for the asset is lower than what it should be. So it means that we should come back to neutral, meaning we should expect some kind of rally. Now we did have that hidden divergence, and we're still gonna have the hidden divergence even if we drop here to the support at 38,314. So that's why I said we can still drop a bit, find that divergence out of support, and go for that rally, right? So anyways, losing that neckline, not good. Anyways, the pattern was completed. We talked about pattern completion up here. We talked about pattern completion here and whether or not it was going to run more. And then we run more. And then we said, look, pattern completed. That's it. Usually after pattern completion, we get reversals, right? So pattern completed, reversal, coming back down. It's normal. So let's go and check the 1 hour. We're hitting bullish again, trying to see if we're going to hold. Amaze chicken is no longer in a nag. So I think he's hatched. So congrats, May, for fully hatching your chicken. Now you have to feed it. Otherwise, it'll die like a sad Tamagotchi. So make sure you feed your chicken, right? Start giving it some corn. You got to give it some Bitcoin to make it grow strong. What is this? 144 negative? 169. So lower, right? More negative momentum. So we had the bullish divergence. Rallied, hit the 20. And afterwards, downhill. Nothing bullish though, right? Coming in lower, more negative momentum, lower on the RSI. About to get across the MACD in the second line. And although it looks as though we're bottoming out here, yeah, we could be doing a sort of reversal, right? It looks as though we're curving to try to reverse the trend. The only bad thing is we don't have any bullish divergence, right? We don't have some bullish divergence. No, Juan, what's up, dude? Set up some longs. Look, we did at 24, so you're not worried. All right, congrats, my friend. Your coin from the other day did really good. Rune, the next day, it just did amazing right after we checked it out. And we said we could rally still if Bitcoin held. And he just rallied beautifully. Haven't checked it out. I don't think we looked at it yesterday. But once you requested it and we looked at it, it did very, very nice, right? Anyways, oversold at 23.74. Not a lot here. We got to get back to that neutral zone, right? We're low on that oversold, meaning, again, perceived value is lower than what it should be. Bouncing would lead us to a 20 moving average at 40,424. That would be a target, right, for the corn. Let's go check out Ethereum again. Ethereum 2,619. So Ethereum is at support, right? Broke this area here at 2,789. We said we could come down to 2,620. We're slightly below it, right? About $1 below it. But we're still trying to hold that support, right? That is at support. Again, nothing bullish. Low to high, negative less, negative and low to high. So let's go to that 4-hour chart because, again, Ethereum is just playing to follow the Bitcoin game. And to follow the Bitcoin game gets annoying. Hidden divergence still in play. Potential for a reversal, just like Bitcoin. So, sold at 33.17. Oh. Let's go to that 1 hour. On the 1 hour, bullish, action to the upside, pumped a bit. Kind of like what Bitcoin did, but here we didn't quite hit that 20, and then we're dropping more. On that movement lower, guess what? Ethereum, weak as it is, has bullish divergence strong. It has a strong bullish divergence that we look for. Sold 32.99. Right, so I'm just gonna go back to Bitcoin, make sure we didn't miss this lower negative momentum, more negative momentum. All right, so we didn't. It's just Ethereum that has this. All right, and it is strong bullish, and again, with that, the potential for action to the upside, right? So I'm not looking bad here. Make sure I'm not missing anything here. So we're gonna do Rune, I guess. The power of the runes from the Vikings, so it's making it pump. Not kidding, it's dropping right now. It hasn't dropped as strong, right? Remember we said flagging, right? Remember impulse up, consolidation. It's consolidating, it's doing good so far. Had that bearish divergence, talked about it, right? We've just been flagging since. It's all good. So neutral at 57.55. Let's go to that 4-hour chart, right? On the 4-hour chart, we didn't have a lot going on. Again, pattern completion hit. We talked about going to this level and trying to break it. If we broke where we could go right now, we are struggling and stumbling because we created this bearish divergence. Look at this. Oh no. It is there, and it is strong bearish divergence without the possibility for action to the downside, right? Look at this. Oh no, dang, shoot to the downside it goes. We have it against the MACD and the RSI. On the upside, because there's an upside, we can still drop all the way down here, right? To that 786. That's gonna be at $4.79. But if we go there, we are gonna still have this hidden divergence, right? This hidden bullish is gonna try to get us to hold support and maybe try to go for a 20 moving average, which would be amazing. Right now, the 20 is at $5.52. But you know, it's gonna keep on changing, so keep an eye out for it. On the 1 hour, what do we have? Oh, look at this. Also divergence, I think. Oh no. What is this divergence that you talking about, mighty sir? Well, you know, it is the stuff that happens when you have contradicting data between your price and your indicators. As the easiest way I could sum that up. Even here going higher. So we don't have it against the MACD, it's just against the RSI. On the drop, coming lower. More negative momentum. Lower on the RSI. Nothing bullish, right? So the movement could still, although it looks as though it's doing a Bitcoin, right? It looks as though it wants to bottom out. We still drop here. It would not be weird if we go for that $4.79. Find that support and pump, right? Again, Bitcoin also could go for a similar move. Talked about it. XRP, all right? XRP. Oh man, I'm usually not a fan of IPAs, but this one's really good. I like Witchwood Brewery. Have really, 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 really good beer. Yeah, all right, XOP. Hey, it's dropped to the 72-cent mark. Remember we said we could drop to there? And then try to find support, and then we'll see what's going to happen. Well, we lost it. Next area, 65.63 cents. Nothing bullish, neutral at 45.56. 4-hour chart, right? Bearish divergence, dropping, losing this area. Remember what we said? Come down here. Look, we found support there yesterday on the 3rd. And now we find support here as well. And now finally broke it because we're weak to rally, right? And the only thing that we have is this hidden divergence here. It's a tiny divergence. It's barely there, right? It's hidden bullish, by the way. And this bull is hidden from sight. That's why a lot of people don't spot it. Kidding. It's very easy to spot. It just looks like strong bearish divergence, but it's in the bottom part, right, of your oscillator and the price, so it's bullish. It just looks like what strong bearish divergence would look like if it was on the top of the price and the top of the oscillator, right? Anyways, hidden bullish. Could go for a rally to that 72.57 cent mark. Neutral. Sorry, sold at 35.24. How's the 1 hour chart? Sold at 37.89. Coming lower. All right, bullish divergence, right? Bullish divergence here on the 1 hour. Look at this, 1 hour, bullish. We should have a mascot, call him Juan Bullish. Kidding. Anyways, bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside. We started rally again, same bottoming out look that we had with Bitcoin. And could, like I said, we could be going for that 72.57 cent mark or the 20 moving average, depending on when we hit it. That 20 is going to keep on dropping. We did go for that 20 or the support, the resistance at 72.57. It just depends when we get there and what's first, right? So we're still going to hit the first area as resistance. Could be a 20, could be the other one. Again, right now they're close. It depends when we go for that move. Damn. Right, so that's it for XRP. Again, not a lot going on. As far as quirky patterns that we could look at, we're not making anything that's fun. It's just, again, down sloping consolidation so far. Slightly down sloping consolidation could lead to a rally. A rally. That's all rally. Right on the daily, Bitcoin is just, this is not what a rally, what consolidation looks like, right? This drop just basically screwed everything up. Up to here, we could have said we were fine. If we would have pumped a bit, maybe go down a bit slowly, would have been beautiful. But this is just reversal, right? And again, that comes with the turf that we completed the pattern, and we said pattern completion, bearish divergence, action and downside. Go for that 20, we try to find support, and we were trying to find support here at the neckline. We lost it, and like I said, if we lose the neckline, we're gonna have support, and then if we drop You know, we held support there, right? 40,542. Look at this move here, right? Look at the move here. Went down to that support. Now we pumped a bit, right? And then we lost that area. So the corn trying to do something. Again, look at this rejection, right? Rejection off resistance. Coming support, failing, dropping. Now the next drop, 37,000. Again, that could be the move, right? It kind of sucks. I wish Bitcoin was just pumping like crazy. But it is what it is, and we have what we have. There's not a lot we can do here. We have almost undone the weekly gains on 2 days of action to downside, which kind of sucks. Let's hide the troll in your bands. It's going to make everything look better. Look at that, right? It looks as though we wanted to gain. And all of a sudden it was like, nope, psych, and drop. So, yeah, not fun, right? And remember, y'all remember this move, right? How it's looking like a move here, right? And we talked about this move looking similar to the rally here. Look, rally, drop, pump, rally, drop, pump, right? And then we're creating this move where we're dropping. And I'm not sure if this is going to be another fractal. It's just tinier. And then if that is, on the 4 hour, we might be able to see it. It doesn't look like that yet. It just looks like a drop, right? It's not, doesn't look like we're doing this motion here that we did. That kind of matched up with this motion that we're doing here, right? So again, we drew the conclusion that we're doing a fractal. Let's play to the upside just like it did here in a similar fashion, right? Look, rally, some movement up slightly, drop, and then pump. Rally, slight movement up, drop, and then pump, right? So again, we're looking at a sort of fractal pattern developing there. And yeah, we're just going down, man. It's just, Bitcoin's not caring about this. It's like, what? Divergence? Who's there? Like I said, we could drop here. 3,814 and then try to pump. Try to hold on to this and see if we can rally, right? Again, there's really not a lot going on in the market, which kind of sucks that we're dropping. But again, not like we weren't expecting it. We've talked about these areas, right? We talked about what was going to happen if we lost this area here, that 40,000. We talked about what was going to happen if we, you know, lost here, this area, right? So, talked about the importance of holding 40K. ANC is a stock or crypto? I'm not sure. There's a crypto and there's a stock, so I'm not sure which one I want to look at, man. I mean, I'm assuming it's a crypto. So we're gonna go check out ANC. ANC. It is. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a lot of information though, right? It's just a pumping at $4.41. Let's go to that 4 hour. Anchor. All right. Oh, this is Anchor. Oh, nice. Nice to meet you, Anchor. I didn't know you. I didn't know you, Anchor. What the Anchor's up with that? All right, look at this, right? Divergence, bearish. Oh, look at that. Oh, no. Bearish divergence strong. Oh, no. Bearish divergence strong. Bearish divergence move down. So I'm going to try to do here. I'm not sure how beneficial this is going to be, but because we don't have legit retrace areas, right? So we'll be making a high. We're not retracing yet. I'm going to try to do something just to see where we could go. If we consider that to be the low end, there's a high on a retrace. We could be looking for $4.45, right? That's if we consider that to be the low. If we're going to shorter move here and we just go from somewhere around here to the top, we're still targeting $4.98 on a drop, right? So it's a pretty good drop to about almost 10%. So, right? So that's it. Bearish divergence is there. Watch out for it. It could put pressure on the price. Again, not a lot of history, so we cannot give a accurate, because we have no idea how this coin has been behaving against divergence and everything else in the past. So, particularly on the daily, where I would be more interested to look at it. And then here in the short term, look at this. Oh no, bearish divergence strong. It's moving this down a bit. It looks like we want to recover though, right? It's doing a small hooking motion there towards the end. Again, no matter if we anchor it from here or from here, it's still the same thing we're looking at. So again, from here or here. It is divergence. It is moving us down. And right now, it looks as though we want to rally. And I'm going to see, failing to get higher than this previous high. Again, potential for problems, right? And we do have this hidden divergence that's coming here into play. And we bounced at the 20. Look at it. 1, 2 times, 3 times bouncing at the 20. Very nice. And that's what's important to look at our moving averages, right? because they do get respected quite a bit, and that's why I look for them a lot and see if we're gonna find support or whatever. Look, here we got resistance, resistance, resistance. A failed attempt for rally, resistance, resistance, resistance. So finally broke it, support, then support, support, support. Everyone's staking Luna on Anchor for a 19% APY. It's all good. Going for a small rally. Now we're seeing bought at 63.89. It's all good. It's all good, lad. All right, so yeah, I think that's it, man. You know, talk to crypto, counter Bitcoin, Ethereum, Rune, Anchor, whatnot, XRP, Bitcoin again. So again, like I said, I'm gonna be keeping the stream short on account that if I talk a lot, start to get a lot of coughs. So still on recovery. So with that into account, that's gonna be it for tonight. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Remember, all the information I'll provide here it's for entertainment and educational purpose only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Did I see Batman? Not yet. Is it out? Did it come out today? Yesterday? I'm not sure. Is it coming out tomorrow? Oh, I haven't seen it, man. I don't think I'm gonna be able to see it before I go to Vegas, to be honest. I don't think I'm gonna be able to go to the theater this weekend. I'm doing everything in my power to not get the virus again, because I don't want to be able like go on Thursday. I have to take a antibody test. No, sorry, antigen test, and I don't want it to come out positive because then that means I cannot get into the flight. So I'm gonna wait. Although I do want to see that. It's supposed to be really good. I heard good stuff from it. I gotta wait. I gotta take it easy on this one, and probably either see it after we come back from Vegas. I'm not sure. All right, maybe. The only thing I've gone see in the theater since the whole outbreak, it's Spider-Man, and I took my kid to see Spider-Man, but we waited for like a couple days, and then I just picked the latest showing I could find. Oh no, something. I picked something on the middle of the day, and I went with my kid. So that's how I had to do it. And then there was no people in the. We went somewhere around midday, yeah. And then we just sat there, watched, Spider-Man, and that's it, man. There was no one in the theater. It was just me, him, and then like a couple way back. So it was a lot of fun just to go that time, because basically we had the theater to ourselves. I don't think I can take him to see Batman, but we'll see. Anyways, I'm probably gonna watch that one by myself. That's kind of it for tonight, guys. Again, Jake, I'm not sure if you're streaming. If you are, post the link to your video. If you have it, if you don't have it, that's fine. Just at least let people know whether or not you're gonna be on today. And then they might be able to go hang out with you. I'm just gonna chill right now. And yeah. Guys, thank you very much for watching. That's gonna be it. Again, I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.